How to fix PS4 Error WC-40360-3. Please follow the troubleshooting steps below to get PS4 Error WC-40360-3 fixed. 1. Remove all items from your PlayStation Store cart and try again. 2. If you are trying to purchase a free trial, such as PlayStation Plus, ensure you have not used the trial period in the past, as these can only be used once. 3. Try restoring your PS4 licenses. To do so, go to Settings, Account Management, Restore Licenses on your PS4 system, then try your purchase again. 4. If the error persists, there may be an issue with the content on PS Store. Please try again later.